We will talk about how can you fix this problem on your train lineup. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for train lineup, or just click on search. Then here at train lineup, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. So you click here on Play Store here. Then you search for train lineup. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.